the, you know, on the show view. It doesn't do anything. Like it goes through the motions, but nothing changes.
Interesting.
So
Downvote on that, actually.
yeah, surrendered votes, downvote. So it's
okay, cool. And now is this
I just think that somewhere in here, like I need to
it seems like there's
like
a server error. Can you go to like the votes controller?
yeah, that's right here.
Okay, great.
So I'm thinking redirect to something, but I'd like try to do redirect to topics, topic post path after all this, and maybe I just have it in the wrong spot. I don't know.
Okay. Cool. Can you try voting again? I just want to see. Can you clear your server first, actually?
Mm-hmm.
So just like Command K would clear it. Great. And then now, can you vote on the web page? Mid transaction rendered votes. Now,
So,
is this Ajax or is this not Ajax?
no, it is Ajax. Yep.
It is?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So that's also good to know. So can I see your upvote.js.erb file?
Yeah, and I'm sure it's something in here that's, you know, because I'm trying to just go off what's on the checkpoint and make up my own stuff. So
I see. Yeah, it can be tough. Okay, well, I guess let's just confirm that the vote is happening.
mm-hmm.
So could you reload the page, the web page? Just reload it to whatever.
So what?
Just reload it.
Yeah, I just did.
Great. And then now can you downvote? And then reload the page. Okay, so the vote is happening. So basically most of it's working. It's now just the Ajax, which
right.
could be not working.
And I think something like this was happening when I was doing it with the comments too, and it was, you know, it would delete the comment after I refreshed the page, and I cannot remember what I had to do to get it to.
Right. So can you right click on the number 1 in the website? Yep, inspect the element. Okay. And can you open up, let's see, vote errors. Can you scroll up a little bit? Yeah, so they didn't give you code for this Ajax at all, have they?
No, this is part of the assignment. So no, this is
okay. Can you go
wing it?
Sure. So can you go to the voter partial?
Mm-hmm.
I see.
Is it this that has to change?
Well, so it seems like there's like a couple things that need to update here. Now, what about the highlighting? Do they expect you to like have the vote highlighted when that shows up? I mean,
no. This is just to make it make the vote number and the points change.
okay.
You know, without the page reloading using Ajax. That's it.
Yeah, and then can you scroll right? Yeah, I just want to see. Okay. Okay, so it's just to change the number, not to necessarily show if you voted or not already.
Yeah, I mean, it would want this updated, and then like this 1 point would have to go to 2 or 0, whatever happened, you know.
Okay.
And that's why I put in, you know, at post dot points in here to change that as well.
I see.
So
Okay, so probably the best way to go about. So can we go to your voted partial again? Okay, vote arrows. And then can we go to, I'm not sure where else you have this rendered. So can you go back, a page on the website? Okay. What is this, the topic show or something?
yes, yep.
Okay, so can you go to topic show in the in Atom? Okay. Okay, so you go through the posts, and the heading, you have a partial for the list. Okay. Aha, so there's a voter partial. So this is what I would do if I were you. I would put line 19 within a div.
Okay.
And yeah, so let's just do
Just a div by itself?
yeah.
Nothing, no class or anything?
Throw an ID soon.
Okay.
I'm trying to think of one that might be a name that might be appropriate for an ID.
I just did oh, what the fuck did they do to the other?
Yeah, so I mean we can start typing it. So why don't you just write ID equals, and then we can throw in maybe, let me think about this. I mean it could be anything. So
vote? Vote count?
Well, the thing is that it's going to have to be associated with the post.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so why don't you take put in some put caret %sign right now, and then equals. Sorry, the less than.
Yep.
And then equals. Yep, and then put post.id. And then %sign caret, and then put post.id within quotes. No. The one
parentheses.
Yeah.
Wait, what's that?
Just highlight post.id, the one that you just wrote.
Oh, gotcha.
And then just put that within quotes as well.
Okay.
You're gonna want double quotes, and then if you want quotes on the outside, then have single quotes on the outside.
Okay.
Because you're gonna do some string interpolation. All right, and then you want to turn those doubles into singles. Yeah. Great, and then now put post ID within like one of those like pound signs and braces.
Right where?
Right before the P. So just write write pound sign and then brace.
Like right here?
No, before the P in post.
Oh, okay. Oh, I got you.
Yeah, and then put post ID inside the braces.
Okay.
Yeah, and then now you can take out post ID, then the other one. And then you can just write post dash and then the pound sign. So right before the pound sign, just write post dash. So maybe this might be like overkill, but and then now we're gonna write a class after that.
Okay.
And then we're just gonna call that vote.
So after
yeah, or voting or whatever. Yeah, call it voting. So make the class call it voting. Okay. Why don't you just reload the page? The web page. Okay. Cool. And then Why don't you just go to console, and I just want to debug some Ajax before we get this running. Not that console, the console in the inspector. Yeah. So there's a console tab up top. It says elements, network sources, and then the last one's console.
Oh, gosh.
Right. So write the following: $, parenthesis, quote, and then I guess $, post dash. Now I don't know what ID that is, so you're gonna have to like right click on that number 1 over there.
On the first
post? Yeah, on the 1 would make it easiest.
Oh.
Okay, 28.
Yeah.
Yeah, so go back to console, -28, and then dot, and then voting. And then single quote, and then parenthesis. And I want to see if it pulls something. Okay, so it works. Great. So
Okay.
why don't we go to your Ajax? So take that with you to the Ajax. Now, is there any reason why did they tell you to make an upvote.js.erb and a downvote.js.erb in the assignment?
No.
They didn't necessarily tell you to do that.
No, it's just really from following the checkpoint. That's kind of weird.
Yeah. Okay, no worries. So let's just do the following then. So change $vote to $post. Right, and then yeah, and then we're close. I guess I would honestly just interpolate it again. That would probably be the easiest way to go. So what I mean by that is just wrap at post.id into just wrap at post ID in quotes, in double quotes. And then also wrap it in the $ and brace for interpolation. Yep, and then before the $, write post. Sorry, write $, post dash. Take out the brace.
Yeah, I know. It's on auto.
Yeah. Cool. And then after the right brace, type .voting. Cool. And then now you can delete the $, post on the left.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, sorry if it's like a little bit more complicated, but
no, I mean,
it's just more for security, or just like more for that, like it ensures that you get the exact right div.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
Cool. Now why don't you go back to I guess the show.html.erb, and then what you can do is take that entire line of render partial on line 20 and just paste that into the other set of parentheses.
Way into where?
Yeah, so go back into the JS.erb.
Oh, into here?
Yeah, so inside the quotes. You want to make sure it's inside the quotes though.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so and then just change post to @post all the way on the right. All right, save that and then give that a shot. Hopefully that works.
Mm.
All right, there was an internal server error that time.
Yeah.
I guess let's just check what the error is.
No route magic. Show.
Why? Okay, so we go to voice controller on line 30. Did you go to voice controller?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, was that pasted in by accident?
Yeah, I think I did show you.
Okay, cool. All right, well, let's try it again then.
Yeah. Yeah, so same thing that was doing to me. Although.
Oh, did you do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you see
So now
anything?
voter card.
Okay, try downvoting. Oh wait, it only will show on upvote, right? At the
Well,
moment.
yeah, because downvote's yeah.
Right. So reload and then upvote. Nothing.
See, I got this when it said that when I did it was under post. Now it's doing the voter partial too, which is the only thing that's different.
Okay. And then just reload the page. I just want to see if it actually upvoted.
Yep.
Okay. So yeah, the Ajax is still wrong. Can you go to upvote.js at URV? What the deal is? Can you go to well, I guess I'd be interested in seeing. So can you enter a new line before line 1? Oh. Can you wrap all that within the first set of parentheses in single quotes? Okay, cool. But then in addition, just in line 1, just write puts at post dot I don't know how you get your vote count, but however you get your vote count.
It's just up there. Crap.
I guess you can go to your voter partial and you should be able to see.
Yeah. There we go.
Post at points.
Post at points.
And then just like enter a new line above that and just say puts, here are the number of points with this post. In quotes. Great. Save that. Reload the site. Downvote it, reload the site, and then upvote. Didn't get anything?
Nope.
So why don't we go back to the votes controller? Now, do you have it automatically update? I assume you do. It automatically updates the post points.
Yeah.
All right. Well, could you enter those debugging messages into after line 24?
Well, which one?
After line 24. Just like those two put statements that we just.
Oh.
Yeah. And is all of your code up on the site?
On what?
On the help forum?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
And I put the commit up there with everything that I did for this is on there. And
okay. So I might just I'm going to clone it on my side just to speed things up.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. So yeah, and then just rerun the experiment again.
So you want all this right here.
So did you get anything?
Yeah, it's in here.
Okay, it does say 3.
Yep.
Okay. All right, so I'm just pulling this up. The name of the branch is what? Ajax.
Ajax assignment.
So I have what you have before, right? So can you commit and push, and I'll pull on my side?
Just push what we just did.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just pulled on my side, and then I'm just going to show you my screen. All right, do you see my screen?
No.
Let me know when it comes up. Do you see it yet?
No. I don't know where you are. Hang on. Yes. Okay.
Okay, cool. Conditions. I need to seed it too. Probably would be helpful. Is there a lot in the C file?
Yeah, there's a couple things.
Couple. Not too much, I guess. Okay. Back up and running. Cool. Do I have this sign in? I guess I do, right? Okay. Cool. This is it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Cool. There we go. Now, you have some other JS.ERBs, right? Okay.
Yeah, just on the comments.
Mm-hmm. So I'm just going to wrap this in escape JavaScript. Oh, these need to be wrapped. Oh, see that?
Mm-hmm.
Working now.
Cool.
So I guess it was just a matter of like getting the escape JavaScript in there.
Oh, you know what? Yeah, that sounds familiar. Should.
Yeah, and then now how do you we can take that back out now. Okay, so you just have update vote, and then it just returns the downvote.js and all that kind of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Right, so you could technically just reload this back in. I'm not sure if you, so you do have a voting partial here as well.
Mm-hmm.
So you might want this to update as well. So that's something to change too.
Okay.
Yeah, I guess that would be. It seems like that'd be the way to go. So yeah, you can take it to down.
It's working.
Hmm?
I said if it's working, it's working.
Yeah. Yeah, so you can just take that into here as well. Again, this doesn't have to be that long, but I just did it so that you're sure that that's what you're dealing with.
Okay.
But now, yeah, you're all good.
How come it's going by twos?
Because when you downvoted, so I haven't voted on this one yet.
Mm-hmm.
So that just went up by one.
Oh, gotcha.
Right. Cool. Do you think you'll be able to paste that in?
Yeah, no, yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Makes sense to me.
Perfect. Cool. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, man, you're awesome.
All right. Well, if you need anything, don't be afraid to post here again, I guess.
Okay, cool, man.
All right. I'll see you around.
Thanks a lot. Yep, take care.